Ready to dive into the world of anime on your Roku, but want to make sure you're doing it the right way? This video will show you how to watch your favorite shows safely and legally, ensuring a worry-free viewing experience. First things first, stick to official streaming apps available on the Roku channel store. Search for Crunchyroll, Funimation, or even Netflix and Hulu, as they often have great anime selections. These are your safest bets because they have licensed the content, which supports the creators and keeps you out of legal trouble. Let's say you want Crunchyroll. Simply navigate to the Roku channel store, type in Crunchyroll, and add the channel to your Roku. The process is the same for Funimation or any other legitimate anime streaming service. Now, let's talk about what to avoid. Illegal streaming sites. These sites are riddled with malware, viruses, and often low-quality streams. Not only can they harm your device, but they also violate copyright laws, putting you at risk. For extra safety, take a peek at your Roku's privacy settings. You can limit ad tracking and control what data is shared with third parties. This is a great way to maintain your privacy while enjoying your anime. And there you have it. By sticking to official channels, steering clear of shady websites, and managing your privacy settings, you can enjoy a safe and awesome anime experience on your Roku. Happy watching! Remember to like and subscribe for more Roku tips and tricks.